Hello everyone, welcome to NPLETS Technologies. Today our topic is AWS EC2 instance. We are going to create a EC2 instance and how that is to be launched with SSH. For that our AWS account should be created. So let's start with this. These are some steps which we can follow for creating AWS EC2 instance. First of all, my account is already created. I'm in Mumbai region. So to access this EC2 instance, we can directly search here EC2 and you can go with this, or else you can go with the services, and from that in a compute this EC2, that is virtual server option, is there. You can go with this also. EC2 is nothing but it is a elastic computing virtual machines. So first of all we have to launch this instance. We have to provide the name to this machine. So let's provide here test 1 dash EC2. After this, once this name of the machine is we have provided, which operating system we are going to install with this virtual machine. So these are some images are provided here. We can go with any image, but right now we are going to proceed with Amazon Linux. So by default, it is selected. After that, this is what the instance type, that means some configurations of this machine is there, that is T2.micro. One virtual CPU is there, 1 GB RAM is there. This is generation, and how much it is costing per hour, it is provided here. After that, once this machine is created, how we are going to access this machine? We are not accessing it with the password, but we are accessing it with key. That is, that's why we have to create here key pair. So just provide the name test1, test1 key. After that, two formats are there. We are going to select .pm because we can use it directly for SSH when we are accessing it with SSH. And for putty also, we can convert this PAM file into the PPK. So better way, you can go for .pm. So just create a key pair. Once it is created, it is automatically downloaded to your system. We are not currently going to change anything in the network. By default, whatever the VPC is presented here, that is a default VPC, our EC2 instance is created in the same VPC. So we are not going to change this right now. We will see it in the next lectures. After that, we are going to create a security group. That means how we are accessing this virtual machine. So we are accessing it with SSH, so we are allowing SSH traffic from anywhere. Means right now I'm not binding any particular IP, that particular from this IP only we are accessing this EC2 instance. So that's why we are selected here IP address, like from anywhere you can access it. You can also allow HTTPS and HTTP also, but right now SSH is sufficient. After that, what type of storage or how much storage you have to provide here. See, we are going to create here Amazon Linux. So for Linux, there is a root partition, that is a slash. So that's our root volume. For that root volume, we have to select the partition. By default, they have created here 8 GB. I'll make it 10 GB. That's it. This root partition will be created. And now we have to launch our instance. Once it is created, just go with this ID of instance. It is available in the dashboard of EC2 instance. See the name of this machine, VM is EC2 test1 EC2. You can see some details with this ID, but right now this machine is still pending. It is not created yet, so it will take some time. Meanwhile, we will check some details regarding this, like this is the EC2 instance ID. This is the public ID with which we are accessing this virtual machine. After that, this is the name of this instance, the configuration, the VPC in which it is created, subnet ID. Okay. So these all details are provided in this description. Let's just check either that machine is ready. Yes, this machine is ready. Test 1 EC2. Okay, it is still initializing. It is not created yet. So once this status is okay, then we will start connecting with EC2. For that, we are going to do the SSH with the public IP of this EC2. This is what the security group which we have created and the key pair which we have, which is associated with this virtual machine. Now this status check is okay. It is passed. So our machine is perfectly running. It is running in this environment, right? So how to access it with the SSH? Just go to the command prompt. Here in the downloads already our key is present. So first of all we will directly do it SSH-I, and whatever the key is there we have to access that key, that is test1-key.pan, and with whom we have to connect with that whatever the public IP associated with the machine, but which user, it is EC2 dash user, which is a default user of the Amazon machine, right? Then at the rate, the public IP I have already copied here, right? And just entered. It is asking, are you sure you want to access? Yes. Once it is connected, see, we are with 172, means we are connected with this. If you want to check, see, this is the private IP address of that machine, 239, right? So we are good to go. Here you can check some command like who am I. So it will tell you that EC2 user. So this is what we are connected with EC2 instance from our local machine with the help of SSH. Okay. Thank you so much.